once it starts getting sap flow and stuff in the spring, wood quality goes way down. So another benefit working with a logger, and this has been several years in the making. I think the first time Trevor came out and walked the woods was 7 years ago. Part of that's been trying to get, Dad on board and, get it to go, and then, Maple's up so good, Hickory's up good, Basswood's actually up. There's a buyer for like even the poplar and stuff like that. So Trevor's working with a bunch of different markets and a bunch of different buyers at mills. So he's got the ability to send it where it needs to go to make, the most money for everybody. Instead of just hauling it down to, the Amish guy in the next town over, this load's going to that mill, or this load's going to that mill, or whatever. Firewood load's going to a different buyer, or whatever. So,
And, having find a guy like Trevor, sounds like who's willing to work with you and do things how you want them done.
the logging roads and stuff like that, with the flexibility with that, just have the conversation with the logger, or, the cutter, whoever you're working with. If you're working with a forester, having them lay those out too to specifically work with your goals, you're just going to get a better product at the end of the day from it. And all it takes is a little bit of planning or a conversation. It's like, I'd like the logging road to go here, and the logger goes, why? Well, I want it to do this. Most of them are going to be like, if it's not a pain in the ass, and they're not dragging it through a swamp, we also tried to make it as, easy going for them too, and had some flex with it.